Every day is different here. The fast pace of world-changing research means that, even as a graduate, I'm given opportunities to immerse myself in the projects and develop as a scientist.
At Randox Toronto, we're constantly driving diagnostic innovation and improving healthcare worldwide. The machines we design and build here have the potential to save and extend lives globally.
I've been working in the manufacturing department now for over 3 years, from supervising quality control to shipping our products all over the world. It is amazing to think what we do here in Dunloe has an impact on healthcare throughout the world.
After my placement year, I was offered a graduate position on the electronic R&D engineering department at Randox Toronto. It was great to be able to develop my career in cutting edge technologies. There are great opportunities here.
I'm from Annagry, County Donegal, which is about 8 miles from the Randox Toronto site here, and I completed my PhD in RCSI in Dublin, and after that I moved to Paris for 2 years to do some research there before moving to University College Cork for my research career. Randox Toronto gave me the opportunity to return home to Donegal and continue doing groundbreaking research.
What I do here matters. For most of my career before I came to Randox, I worked with already established ideas and products. Now I get to bring my own ideas to the table, and I see the product through from concept to production.
I was given so much support as I started out in my career, with my final year project even being conducted in conjunction with Randox Toronto. The team of engineers here are exceptional professionals and provided excellent guidance to me as a young student engineer.
Testing new, never seen before products is an exciting challenge.
We also get to experience one of the most beautiful parts of the world.
If you're into outdoor pursuits, this is the place for you. There are just so many great locations for mountain biking, kayaking, and just enjoying the great outdoors.
Well, being back in Donegal, there's so many things to see and experience that you don't get anywhere else. I don't even mind the weather.
I met my wife when I was working in London, and we moved back here to her home county of Donegal for a better quality of life for ourselves and our children. I never sit in traffic jams. We've been able to build our own home, and we've never had to worry about getting our daughters into a good school, as all the schools in Donegal are good and there's no queues.
There's a lot of opportunity for career advancement here. I started my career at Randox as a quality control analyst before being promoted 2 years ago to lead QC analyst. Just last month I was promoted again to quality control supervisor. One of the best things about Randox is that I've been given the opportunity to create an impressive career in such a short space of time. It helps when you work alongside a great team of people too.
Right now, I'm working on drawings and technical notes for several machine modules. After that, I work with our electronic, electrical and embedded software engineers on prototype build and testing. Our ability to 3D print in-house allows us to rapidly turn around prototypes in a matter of days, or indeed hours, depending on size and complexity.
I've published about 20 peer-reviewed scientific papers, and it's fantastic that I can continue to advance my career globally while being so close to home.
Everyone is valued here, and it really speaks to why Randox is so successful.
I knew this was a place where not only I could learn a lot, but that I could also make a difference.
The career opportunities at Randox Toronto are endless.
This is a great place to be and a great place to build your career.